Today we're tackling a common kitchen conundrum: how to clean your air fryer quickly and easily. Let's face it, nobody wants a greasy appliance taking up counter space. Before we dive in, make sure your air fryer is completely cool and unplugged. Never submerge the main unit in water, and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning tools. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the outside of your air fryer. This removes any spills or splatters that might have occurred during cooking. Most air fryers have a removable crumb tray at the bottom. Discard any crumbs or food debris, then wash the tray with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. If you haven't cooked anything too greasy, a quick wipe with a damp cloth might suffice. For tougher messes, detach the basket if possible and wash it with warm soapy water. You can use a non-abrasive sponge to tackle stuck-on food particles. In a small bowl, combine baking soda with a little water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to greasy areas inside the basket and the drawer, avoiding electrical components. Let it sit for 10–15 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. Scrub the basket and drawer with a damp cloth or soft bristled brush to remove loosened grime. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and dry completely. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a bowl or shallow dish. If possible, detach the basket and drawer and soak them in the vinegar solution for 30 minutes to an hour. This helps loosen stubborn grease and burned-on food particles. After soaking, scrub the basket and drawer with a damp cloth or soft bristled brush. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and dry completely. Line with parchment paper. Using parchment paper liners in your basket can significantly reduce mess and make cleanup a breeze. Just make sure the liner doesn't touch the heating elements. Clean as you go. Don't let greasy buildup accumulate. Wipe down the basket and drawer after each use for a quicker and easier cleaning process later. Consult your manual. Your air fryer's manual might have specific cleaning instructions for your model. Always refer to these for the most accurate recommendations. By following these simple steps, you can keep your air fryer clean and functioning optimally for delicious, healthy meals for years to come. Now get out there and air fry with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful kitchen tips and tricks.